Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get any country number. Yeah, any country number for online verification. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can get that. So let's get right into today's video. So the first thing you need to do is to head on to your Play Store. As you can see, I'm going to open my Play Store right now. So I'm going to search. Okay, let me type. So I'm going to search temp number. Temp number. So let's wait for the result. So as you can see, this is temp number. Make sure it's this one that you guys are downloading. Make sure it's this one. So I'm going to open it. This is the app that we're going to use to get any country phone number. As you can see from the preview. So I'm going to open the app up. So let's wait for it to load. As you can see, get free number. So I'm going to click on get free number. So it's going to load. So as you can see, guys, you can get any country phone number for any online verification. You can use, if you want to use for Facebook, just download temp number. As you can see, we have Belgium, Sweden, Australia, Finland, Netherlands, France, Poland, Canada, and lots more. So I'm going to click on US number. So you have a lot of numbers to pick from, and every day they upload new numbers. So as you can see, 7 hours ago. So I'll click on the first one. As you can see, guys, you can see this person use this number for Instagram for Square verification. So you can use it for any verification online if you don't want to use your real mobile number. So this is the best temporary number you can use for any online verification like Facebook or any verification on any site. So I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Make sure you guys smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel. For those that want to join my Telegram channel, all you have to do is to head on to your Telegram and search for how-to videos. Then you join my Telegram channel. So I'll be doing a lot of giveaways soon when I get to 100 subscribers. So make sure you guys smash that like button. Peace.